Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show you all how I prepare my ginger, lemon and honey tea. So to prepare this tea I need lemon and ginger, lemon, ginger, and of course I need honey. Honey makes it to be sweet. Of course you can prepare only lemon and ginger drink, but then if you like it sour it's okay, but with honey it becomes very sweet. So I also need so I'll be needing water, and I need this much water to prepare this drink. So here we have our water, here we have honey, and here we have lemon, and here we have ginger. So now it's time to grate the ginger. So but before I grate the ginger, I would like to cut the lemon. So friends, at this point in time, I just sliced out some lemon. I like to prepare my own tea in this way. Next, I will squeeze out the lemon juice. Next, I'll grate the ginger in the lemon juice. So next I'll be adding the honey. I'll be adding 3 spoons of honey. Adding the sliced lemon. So friends, our juice is ready. Look at this, very clear. So friends, our tea is ready, and here is the one I'll be drinking now. So this other one, I will save this for later. I'll leave this in the refrigerator. It's gonna be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find value in this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Thank you all. I'll see you all in my next video.